If you're trying to decide between the Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus and the Infinix Hot 70 Pro, here's a quick head-to-head breakdown after looking at both. Both phones are very similar at first glance, but there are a few key differences worth noting. Performance is where the Hot 70 Pro takes a small lead, offering a slightly more optimized chipset and smoother multitasking. The Hot 60 Pro Plus still holds up well for everyday use like social media, streaming, and light gaming. In terms of display and battery life, both devices are fairly close, with only minor improvements on the newer model. The Hot 70 Pro does feel a bit more refined in build quality and software experience, though it's not a huge jump. If you're upgrading from an older budget phone, either one will serve you well depending on your budget. Overall, the Hot 70 Pro wins slightly, but the Hot 60 Pro Plus is still a solid value choice. Either way, you are getting strong performance for the price in 2026 market today.